Whoa, 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 what are you doing? Really, dude? Really? So we were hit with a major snowstorm through the overnight hours to the early mornings. It is now, what is it? So we averaged out, what they say, about 10 inches maybe. And we got more to come. Quick update on the transmission. So far, so good. I've been running the transmission in 4-wheel drive with the snow out here. So the rebuilt transmission has been holding out pretty well. You always got this one type of driver who want to wait to the last minute to decide to turn when you can legally turn on rate. So let me get back on topic. Now, I'm not stepping on anybody's toes at the transmission shop. I think they did a wonderful job rebuilding this transmission. It's almost like it's flawless and I got a warranty on it. However, I am a little disappointed about the whole situation with this bolt. From when they told me it rusted out, and they told me to try to get it as quiet as possible. I said, what do you mean? So that ticking noise is from that bolt being rusted out, and basically I'm gonna have to drill a hole into that spot where the bolt rusted at. But for me to spend $2,000 on the transmission rebuild and to get the warranty, you would think that the shop would have some courtesy and be like, all right, well, we broke the bolt off because we needed to take the transmission out. We just fix the bolt, no extra charge. But apparently they don't do that kind of work because it's just a dedicated transmission shop. I've gotten a little used to that ticking noise as I drive, but the most annoying thing I encounter in the mornings when it's -5 or -10 outside is this thing really hesitates to stay started the first 10 minutes of the cold start. And even when you drive, of course you got people in Michigan who like to speed past you over the legal. Oh yeah, I can't do a video without giving y'all a quick weather update. This is our weather. 21 degrees. Well, I guess I can't complain considering that it was -4 this morning. So this 21 degrees actually feel like summertime compared to this morning. But despite this being an old truck, the 4-wheel drive in this thing is just awesome. I mean, you got auto, high, and low. Auto I usually use when the snow is really not all that deep. For high, I use it when the snow is deep. And of course, I like to have a little fun when the snow is deep and high. Those of you who would decide to move to Michigan, just to let you know, when your plate is covered up with snow like that, there's no way you can get out of a ticket. They will pull you over and give you a ticket. Alright, so I wasn't gonna put this in the video, but I was trying to get some air and somebody just randomly parked their car there. But it's this Lexus right here. Excellent condition. But I'm not sure if I want to be driving in the snow with those type of rims. So I guess I've came to the point where this is the ending of the video where I'm supposed to bug you guys to subscribe or bug you guys to give this video a thumbs up so YouTube doesn't think I'm a spammer. or so that my account doesn't get deleted. But anyway, as I edit this video, subscribe to this channel. If you like what you see, give it a thumbs up. If you want me to transform this Explorer into a complete off-road vehicle worthy machine, subscribe to this channel or like this video, and as time goes on, we'll make it happen. The Ford Focus is still on the channel. For those of you who watched the previous videos, it's currently covered up and stored right now for the winter. I do not like to drive that car when it's 10 inches of snow on the ground and to be stuck. And of course, out here in Michigan, the average tow truck response time, they come to you in like 5 to 6 hours. Well, anyway, like what you see, give the thumbs up, subscribe. See you soon.